Hey YouTube, this is Recoil Rider, and with riding with Recoil at gmail.com. This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Had it for about a year now. Just got a GoPro for Christmas, and it come with some no SD cards, so I couldn't even use it right away. A buddy at work gave me a 4 gigabyte SD card, so I can only record for about 7 minutes. I just wanted to give you an introduction to myself and the bike that I'm going to be hopefully posting more videos on in the future. I got SD card coming, I got a chin mount for my helmet coming, and hope to get a lot more content for you guys. Let me know what you guys want to hear, put in the videos, what you'd like to see. I probably won't get any riding videos today because, like I said, I only got 7 minutes of content on that card, so that ain't a whole lot of my time. This is my modular helmet I wear. I'm going to have a chin guard on here for my GoPro mount. It's a modular helmet, Harley Davidson Outrush 2 with a 𝐂𝐚𝐤𝐤𝐞 built-in Bluetooth. I have a Alaska leather seat cover. I really like this. Makes it for a nice comfortable ride on that. Guy I got this bike from, he put more money into it than he did ride time. I bought it with like 3,000 miles on it. I've got almost 7,000 miles on it now. He also put LED lights on it, which I really love, front and back. It didn't come stock with that. And he put an upgraded cam in here. He used to have, when I got it, he had the 2-in-1 exhaust, but I like the dual, so I put the stock exhaust back on it. Don't hate me. So I stand about 6'2", and I'm about 180 pounds. This bike's about 900 pounds. This is how I like to mount it. I like to just stand right here and just hike a leg over. And I have a kind of a weird riding position. I use these highway pegs, and I bridge my foot from here to the highway peg on both of them. And then when I want to brake, I just move my foot over and back over. This is comfortable to me because I'm so tall. This just doesn't feel right. I got the heel toe shifter over here on this side, so I'm always hitting down. I never have to kick up, and it's just comfortable ride like this. I got a backrest. It's adjustable right here. It's really comfortable, right where I have it set. So I don't play with that too much, but I can adjust it if needed. If I want to sit up more, if I want to lean back more. This is just an introduction to my page. Very first video. I just wanted to say hey. I hope to see you guys more, and like, share, and subscribe.